Time I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back.
Oppo Reno 12 just launched before a few days ago. Fast refresh rate AMOLED display, new mid-segment 5G processor, new AI camera setup, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start by talking about the design of the Oppo Reno 12. The first look of the phone is quite stunning, featuring a millennium color scheme that resembles silver. The back of the phone is made of glass and has undergone an A-grade scrub process, resulting in a unique pattern that gives a liquid metal effect. However, this design is within the glass itself, so there are no actual textures on the surface. The phone features a minimalist camera module with impressive detailing. The edges of the module have nice textures, and there's a protective ring around the camera lens. The R-angle design of the phone is mirrored in the camera module. The color of the module is slightly different from the back of the phone. The phone is quite thin, with a thickness of about 7.3 millimeters, and it weighs only 179 grams. The phone feels great in hand. This time, all phones in the Oppo Reno 12 series come with a flat screen, and all four edges of the screen are slightly curved, giving a nice effect. The screen also looks very good and feels comfortable to hold with one hand. The phone has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen's peak brightness level is 1200 nits. The display also supports XDR, and the bezels are very thin. The screen uses a diamond structure and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Additionally, the Oppo Reno 12 series has an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. For performance, the Oppo Reno 12 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8250 processor with a max clock speed of 3.1 GHz. The phone has an Antutu score of over 1 million. The phone offers performance comparable to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is great. The Oppo Reno 12 has a 5000 mAh battery, which is impressive because the phone remains light and thin despite the large battery. In endurance tests, after 2 hours of medium to heavy use, the battery still has 81% remaining. The phone supports 80-watt charging and runs on ColorOS 14.1, which is based on Android 14. The phone is well optimized, with smooth animations. The Oppo Reno 12 features a rear-facing triple camera setup with AI algorithms. The main camera is a 50-megapixel LYT600 sensor with a 11.95-inch size and optical image stabilization. Additionally, the phone includes a telephoto portrait lens and an ultra-wide-angle lens. You can check out sample photos to see the camera quality.
There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
On the software side, the phone includes a live photo feature, providing a similar experience to the iPhone. In the album, there's a separate category for live photos. You can view a sample live photo, and to see the animation, just long press on the photo. These live photos can also be shared on social media platforms. Additionally, the phone has an AI active elimination feature. With the AI active elimination feature, you can quickly circle and select a car in a photo to remove it. You can view the before and after photos to see the results. The AI can also fix closed eyes in group photos, making them appear open. As for the price, the base variant of the Oppo Reno 12 starts at 2699 Chinese yuan, which is about £292 in the UK and $373 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone has a great look, is lightweight, and has a good camera with impressive AI features. The battery is also strong. However, if you need higher performance, you might want to consider the Oppo Reno 12 Pro. I'll be uploading a detailed review of it soon, so stay connected with our channel. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not